Right now, at this moment here, I think still counter are still trying to break the resistance. Of course, yesterday we do see there's some profit takings coming in. Counters like land industry, mass steel, ANNJOO, they're actually having some downward. But today it looks like they are coming with above. Volume is not that fantastic yet, but hopefully towards the end of this closing today, we will see a greater volume coming in later on. Okay. Now, of course, by the time I'm doing this video, it's around 3 p.m. Okay, we still got 2 more hours to go before the market close on 6th of September. Now, do remember this video here, I'm not doing any buy and sell call. If you want to trade any stock based on this discussion here today, make sure you got your own trading plan, or probably you just have get advice, okay, from the professional. Now, before I go into some steel counters, probably we also study other counter as well, which is I think find very interesting. Now, one of them actually is DSS. This is DX Sigma. Yesterday actually break up from this accumulation over here. Okay, this is a nice accumulation with a couple of sound strength. Now, if you see my chart, if you're following our full video or Telegram, sometimes you realize that there's actually this arrow coming up. This is what we call the strength signals that appearing near to the support level. Now, normally these kind of signals it do frequent happens, especially when the stock is doing a pullback or retest to this support level. So this is sometimes I like to see that the stock is holding well around the area. Now, for DS Sigma, it actually successfully break the resistance over here. Volume is pretty fantastic for me, and today looks like they are doing a low volume pullback. Of course, right now, like I said, it's only 3 p.m. We still got 2 more hours to go. I love to see the volume remains to be at least half of the volume yesterday towards the end of the day. Okay, so there's quick one for DS Sigma. Okay, the other one that counters that I think I do mention in the Telegram as well. This is Pharma. Okay, they're actually also trying to break the resistance as well. Okay, in fact, I think they already crossed this a nice gaps area. Okay, so this is the big gap area. So I think they already successfully crossed. Okay, previously they tried to cross but failed. Pull back again. You notice that there are two strength right exactly at the 20-day moving average. Okay, before they try another one. Okay, so currently at this resistance here. So hopefully the next one, once the successful break, is around this area here, around 52 cents. Okay, again, I'm not doing any buy call over here, but based on my chart, support resistance, this is some things that I'm look forward to. Okay, for Pharma Niaga. Okay, now let's go into some steel counters. Okay, still very keen on steel counter, but for info, I already exits all for my land industry because I don't want to hold too much of the same related counters over here. So AYS, okay, now counters that I think are having potential as well. But again, do careful the gap areas over here, right? So today volume is slowly increasing. It's not that high yet. Okay, hopefully they're able to cross this gap, cover this gap, and make a cross. Okay, like Marsing, you can check out Marsing as well. They're able to try to break, pull back, and successfully they cross successfully on this gap area. Okay, so far, I don't see any sort of weaknesses. Okay, so like I say, I was expecting a follow through. Okay, later on, hopefully by this week you can see that. Okay, now ANNJOO, let's look into ANNJOO. Okay, ANNJOO as well. If you notice, there's a couple of strength signal. Okay, like I said, I kind of like this kind of strength signal. Okay, whenever that happens above the 20 and 40-day moving average. Okay, so this is sometimes how I use it. Whenever I saw this kind of strength signal, okay, I will try to park my support. Okay, around this area. So this will be my stop loss area. Okay, again, I'm not asking you to sell in this area, but this is my own personal so-called trading plan that usually I will follow. Okay, so if let's say they break below my strength areas, okay, which means probably it's telling me that yes, probably I want to relook into it. Whether should I continue to hold this counter or not? Okay, now so far volume is still a bit low, unlike AYS, is pretty exciting. But we will see how it goes because I don't see any major weaknesses coming in from ANNJOO as well. Just that today volume is not that exciting yet. So again, I don't know. Probably it will still continue to hang around the 20-day moving average area before they want to break above the resistance again. Okay, but so far, like I said, towards the resistance, not a very major weaknesses. Okay, so still okay for me, right? So there's quick one for ANNJOO. Okay, any other counters that I think some construction trying to make a pullback around 20-day moving average as well. So if you can check out, we can check out like GADANG. Okay, let's take a look into Gadang. Okay, so here this morning it gapped down, hit 20 MA, push up. Okay, but this one it didn't show any specific strength signals. We'll see yes, but over here we do see some pullback patterns. Okay, somewhere around this area here. Okay, this is a nice pullback patterns below volume. Okay, so around the 20-day moving average area. Okay, so today as well, okay, hit here, and hopefully this previous resistance, notice here we got two resistance. So right now they are slowly turning into the support areas too. Okay, now probably we check out one more. Let's try Gabonga AQRS. I think they are doing pretty good as well currently. Okay. Oh, okay. Gamma AQRS slightly a bit big because the volume on yesterday is a bit high here. Okay, yeah, this is the previous resistance. Okay, previous resistance. Now, hopefully, we see a good support. Today, volume also a bit low, a bit similar to ANNJOO. Not much exciting. Okay, excitement currently based on this volume over here. So probably it will still continue to sideways around this area here. So expect this kind of movement. Okay. Oh yeah, the other one I think is worth the monitor. I think I posted this morning in the Telegram is Puncak Niaga. Okay, so Puncak Niaga. Okay, I think with this we do see okay previously we got one strength over here, but they fail to hold. They break, pushing back from the 40-day moving average. Okay, another strength signals. Okay, looks like they are trying to retest. Okay, on the first strength areas. Okay, so this is my support. I haven't really looked in enter yet. Okay, for Puncak, I'm looking for potential entry. Okay, against not doing any buy call. But based on my calculation on risk to reward, I think something that worth for me to look into. Okay, for Puncak. All right, so that's a quick one for our video here today. So again, if you like our these daily market updates, do let me know in the comment below if you think that any stocks that I miss out and probably you want me to cover in the upcoming videos. Do comment below as well.